So you're telling me we're going to eliminate all of these chemicals and supplies and still keep our house and RV clean?
I am. On this episode of Travels with Delaney.
Welcome back, everyone. My name's Patrick.
I'm Patty.
And if this is your first time here at Travels with Delaney, welcome. We're your channel all about RVing
And living life to the fullest.
So Patty, you're going to tell us today how you have eliminated all of these cleaning chemicals and supplies.
And save you money, honey.
And keep our house and RV clean?
Exactly.
All right, well, let's jump right into it because I want to find out exactly what you're using.
This is the ultimate cloth. Now, babe, I know you're probably thinking, that just looks like a regular piece of paper towel.
That's what I was thinking.
But it's unique. It is a mirafiber, which is European technology that was made into this piece of cloth.
And what makes mirafiber so special?
Well, it's unique because all I have to do is add water to it. And I can use it on any surface, countertops, mirrors, anything, the floor, whatever I want to use on it. And what it does is it has the weaving in it, makes it able to just grab all of the dirt instead of pushing it around.
So you're telling me you just add water and this is literally going to swipe things up from surfaces?
It will. It's going to help because sometimes, like on the stove and so forth like that, we have grease from when we've been cooking, and when you use anything, it kind of leaves smears and just kind of still leaves a stain to it. This doesn't. It just wipes it so clean, and especially with our stove, it makes a shine to it when it's all cleaned up. Or mirrors, it just grabs and makes it clean.
What about dog nose prints on windows?
That's amazing. So many prints. This is in your car windows. It just does a great job of keeping everything clean. I like things clean. So for me, this is super easy compared to all of that.
So is this made in China?
No, this cloth is shipped to the United States from Europe. And then in the United States, they take the big reams of cloth and make it into this nice little size cloth for you to use, and it's easy to use.
And the owners actually live right over in our neighboring state of Ohio.
Exactly.
And we do love our American-made products, don't we?
We sure do, yes. So I think these are just great. Less space to store with this little guy compared to all of that.
Well, let's actually see it in action.
All right, let's do it. This is easy. All you have to do is take your cloth and add water to it. Add a little water, kind of wring it out a little bit. Now the company recommends that you fold it into quarters so that you have different sides. If some side gets really black for you or dirty, you can just flip sides to make sure it's clean. And then you just start wiping away. And I love it on this because this thing can have so many fingerprints. And it's just so easy. So if I feel like that's dirty, I just flip to another side and go over here. One thing I really love about this cloth is when I'm using it on like our sink, I can just wipe and it becomes streak free. I used to have to kind of wipe with another cloth I was using and have a dry cloth on top of that and really try to buff and make it shine. But with just one swipe and then it air dries, this sink becomes beautiful again. What I like the most is how I can use this on any surface, like my stainless steel sink, the kitchen countertop, our kitchen appliances. It works great on stainless steel, bathroom mirrors, bathroom sinks, and our fixtures, windows, woodwork, and pictures.
So that's crazy that you can use it basically everywhere in the house and the RV, but could I use it out in the cars?
Oh yeah. I can use it on the seats. I can use it on my console, backup camera, my steering wheel. I can go crazy. I can do everything.
But what about the outside?
Oh, let me show you. See the tar on my door? Watch this, hun. Here we go. A little more. Look at that.
That
I'm even
is
getting
crazy.
Isn't that crazy? That's tar. Check it out.
All right, hold on. I'm going to grab a regular towel. I want to see if a regular towel takes off the rest of it.
Now, I just have a regular microfiber cloth, just damp. It's not working.
Well, I see the dirt coming off, but I
got a
still
little
see
dirt.
Tar on there.
Yeah, I can't get it off very well.
All right, go ahead. Use your ultimate
All right,
cloth.
here we
Finish
go.
it off.
Bring in the big kahuna.
Show me one more time.
Here we go. Check it out, hon.
Wow. That is crazy.
Sweet.
This is amazing. No
Isn't it
wonder they
great?
call it the ultimate cloth. But do I just throw it away now?
No, it's no. What you got to do is you can wash it, you can bleach it to get it back to where you started, and all you got to do is hang dry. Okay, you don't have to put it in the dryer at all.
But again, is it going to last?
It's gonna last, and they say that it comes kind of stiff-like when you first get it, and the more you use it, it softens up, and it's gonna last you up to about 5 years. There's a guarantee, and it's reusable.
That's
It's
crazy.
great.
Do these come like? Is just the ultimate cloth, or do I have choices when I go
You
to order?
have choices. I want to get some colors because I like to color coordinate everything. So like maybe we get a certain color that we use on the vehicles, certain color we use just on mirrors, a certain color to use just on different kinds of surfaces.
So I know you said when you're using this, it will actually scoop up dirt, grime, and bacteria,
Right.
but I cook, and when I clean up in the kitchen, I don't want that bacteria setting in this cloth. What are my options?
Well, for this, again, you have a different cloth just for the kitchen.
Right.
And then when you wash it, you can bleach it. Okay. Or you can buy another cloth that they carry, the antimicrobial cloth, where this cloth is a little different. When you catch the grease or the slime or whatever you want to clean, it actually starts attacking inside the cloth that whatever, so that it stays clean.
So if I'm really concerned about the bacteria in the cloth, I would order the microbial
Yep.
one that actually has something in
In
the
it,
cloth,
yes.
and it's going to immediately start attacking the bacteria in here.
Exactly.
But if I'm not worried, like
This,
around the
it
house,
still grabs and catches, you know, dirt and all that. But this is more like if you want to get those antibacterial things going.
I'm convinced we definitely need more of these.
Well, I thinking that it was love at first swipe for me.
Truly
I
truly
love to
was.
clean.
You love to clean.
I do.
This is your thing
This
that makes
is-
you happy.
It's basically it's a stress reliever. When the house is clean for me, I'm happy. So this is a godsend for me. I'm gonna love this. I love
So
it.
it's actually going to save us money.
Yep.
Save us time.
Save space, especially like in the RV. I don't need a bunch of cleaning supplies in the RV. This is light, and it's gonna look how light this. I can just fold it down and store it in the
So you
tiniest
can
little
carry
drawer.
multiple of those in the trailer and
I
really not
could.
take up any space.
Exactly. It's perfect. Perfect.
And it's much better for the environment because we're not using harsh chemicals, and we don't have to worry about Truman and Bess, our Cavalier
Right.
King Charles Spaniels, with harmful chemicals. We always worry about that.
Yeah, them licking things. This way I don't have to worry at all about that.
Well, if you want to get your own ultimate cloth, we're going to go ahead and leave a link down below in the description for this video. Check them out. I think you're going to be blown away like I am with this.
It's amazing. I love it.
So a big shout out to Susan over at Ultimate Cloth for sending us a few of these to try out. Susan, you were right. It truly is love at first swipe. Patty, you
Love it.
couldn't have made Patty more happy.
Yep.
So till next time, everybody, we'll see ya.
On down the road. Happy cleaning.
Travels with Delaney. We'll see you on down the road.